Hello watch enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a true icon, a timepiece that needs no introduction but always deserves admiration, the Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso. And this year, at Watches and Wonders 2025, the spotlight is firmly on this legendary watch. For nearly a century, the Reverso has captivated with its ingenious reversible case, born from the demands of polo players in 1931. And while we've seen stunning iterations over the years, the latest Reverso tribute Monoface small seconds in pink gold with a matching Milanese bracelet is quite simply breathtaking. It's a masterclass in restrained boldness, blending modern refinement with that unmistakable Reverso elegance, and just a touch of luxurious bling. This isn't just a watch, it's a vision. The polished pink gold case, measuring a sleek 45.6 millimeters by 27.4 millimeters with a 7.56 millimeter profile, feels substantial yet elegant on the wrist. But the real magic happens with the details. Notice the purity of the unembellished reverse side, offering a canvas for future personalization. Then, feast your eyes on this stunning grained golden dial. It respects the timeless simplicity of the original design, featuring applied, faceted indices, elegant Dauphine hands, and a precise railway minutes track. The circular small seconds subdial at 6 o'clock adds a touch of contemporary flair, beautifully accented by burgundy markings that provide a subtle yet striking contrast. Powering this beauty is the manually wound rectangular caliber 822, the reliable heart beating at 21,600 vibrations per hour and offering a solid 42-hour power reserve. It's a testament to Jaeger-LeCoultre's horological expertise, a movement designed to perfectly fit the iconic Reverso case. The Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso Tribute Monoface small seconds with this pink gold Milanese bracelet isn't just a watch, it's a statement. It's a harmonious blend of history, craftsmanship, and undeniable style. This is a timepiece that effortlessly wins the beauty contest, offering a luxurious and timeless aesthetic that will be cherished for generations to come. What are your thoughts on this stunning new Reverso? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more watch content. Thanks for watching.